Hey guys, my name is Janice Renee and welcome to my channel.
I got the pencil to the sword, the so what's right indoors. Into the phones that they want me, and when now I'm sipping coffee, sharing stories with the bosses, just a serving of his glory. Oh, got a problem with mediocrity and people who throw stones and then be fronting like.
So I wanted to record this video because over the last few weeks I've noticed that my subscribers have grown significantly. And I'm super excited about that. I'm super excited about the fact that my channel's growing, and it's really crazy because I have been out the way for a while now. And so I wanted to come and record this video so that I can, one, greet all of my new subscribers.
First off, welcome.
And so that I can also update you guys on where you been at. Where you been, sis? Where you been? So let me just rewind and start from the beginning. If you're new here, my name is Janice Renee. This is my channel, and in typical times, I came to a point where I grew my channel, started growing my channel, and decided that my main topics were gonna be faith and entrepreneurship. And that's still a thing. But I also noticed there's one video on my page where I talked about so you want to go to seminary, and I'll link it below for anybody who might be interested in going to seminary. And I realized that that video has also given me a lot of traffic. So I figured that in the videos where I record about faith, I'm also going to be talking about my journey through school, because I have a huge, big deal going on in my life. I'm going to get my PhD. So I'm probably gonna be talking to you guys a lot about what that journey is like. And I'll be starting this fall. And I'm super excited. I'm super nervous about it because PhD programs are not easy. They're just not, they're just, no other way to put that. So I'm starting my PhD journey, so I'm definitely gonna be talking about, how that's going for anybody who might be interested in going for their PhD. I'm gonna be sharing my journey with you guys, and also what it's gonna be like trying to grow a business while in school, particularly getting a PhD, but in school in general. Because many of you know that I just graduated this past May with my Master of Divinity degree. And so, which is why I recorded the, so you want to go to seminary video. And so that kind of speaks to where I've been at with COVID-19 hitting, baby. Like when I say that just made spring semester all kinds of crazy, it made spring semester all kinds of crazy. And so I just, it was really hard ending the semester, like just being a student and trying to also run a business. And some of you don't know this, but I'm also a freelance web designer. So, trying to do all of these things at the same time has been like really crazy in the midst of COVID-19. So that's kind of where I've been at, trying to figure out school, preparing myself to get my PhD, and wrapping up everything that I needed to wrap up with my master's degree, and missing out on graduation, and then I had a birthday, and it's just a lot of stuff happened, and it kind of just like drew me away, and it's been incredibly busy. Ironically, with COVID-19 shutting everything down. So it's definitely been busy season, especially with, I also, like I said, I'm a freelance website designer, and I built 2 websites for 2 amazing Black women of faith. And the inquiries that I have gotten ever since they launched their website has been incredible. So shout out to Dr. Melva Sampson and to Candace Bimbo for giving me the opportunity to build your websites, because when I say sis was busy, okay? Out here hustling, getting these websites done or whatever. So I definitely have a lot to give you guys, a lot to update you guys around entrepreneurship and my journey with entrepreneurship, and what's interesting, significant, or unique about my journey is that I don't have a background in business. I have a background in theology and Bible and ministry, and these are the areas where I can thrive. But business for me was like speaking another language. Like, sis, what are you doing? And so that's why this journey for me is just like really, really incredible. So I really just wanted to come over here and introduce myself, give you guys a little bit of an update. I'm gonna be starting to drop my faith and school reflection videos on Mondays, and we just gonna sit down. We're gonna have us a nice little cup of coffee in the mornings, and we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna spill the tea about what it's like to be in school and to grow in your faith at the same time. And then on Fridays, I'm gonna just give you guys the tips that I'm learning on this DIY entrepreneurship journey, because baby, it is a journey. It is a journey indeed. It is a journey indeed. So I'm super excited for all of my new followers. Welcome, 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 welcome. And let's just shoot it straight, y'all. I'm trying to get to the 1,000 followers. So this is like incredible for me to be even halfway there, a little over halfway there. So if you are interested in sticking around and watching me on my journey with school, faith, and entrepreneurship, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, share this video, tell all your friends. In my tradition, we'll say tell Lottie Dottie and everybody to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever a new video drops. And I'm super excited to have you here. And again, my name is Janice Renee, and I'll see you in the next video.